your profile image, you see create a post. Now it will load and open up where you create a post from. So you would choose a community. Whenever there are several communities, so it depends on what you're writing about. If you are writing about cryptocurrency and blockchain, this is it: mining, trading, and technical analysis, Zcash, uptrend optimization, blah 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 blah. But if you are writing your introductory post, you should choose Uptrend. Uptrend is the largest community in Uptrend. So since it's an original post, all you need to do is to click on original content written by me, right? So if you write original content written by me, you can write your title here and then you can make your post here. Okay, now when you are done making your post, you can click on this post icon here. Also, if you want to add images to your post, this is where to add images. You click here, you upload your image, and then you come back here and continue your writing. Okay, so this is how to make a post on Uptrend and then how to find your profile link. I hope this has been able to help you understand how the platform works. Thank you very much for your time.